Hello, I'm Colin from HDCCTV.co.uk. This video is about the Xvision XHC1080SA. This is a smoke detector covert camera giving you a full 1080p high definition image. Let's take a look at some recordings we made using this camera.
The Xvision XHC1080SA is a covert smoke detector style camera. It gives you a full HD picture, or you can switch it to low resolution for use with analog equipment. It comes with a built-in microphone, and the wide angle lens gives you a 92-degree viewing angle.
The XHC1080SA is available to buy from our website now, HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.